Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masgari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin na nagsasabihin sa inang ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you have question for more videos of this. And of course, maraming salamat pala sa walang sampung suporta sa aking channel. And of course, don't skip the ads para sa mga susunod na eksena, no? Maraming salamat sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, tingnan natin, ano ang pinaka-messages, advices sa inyo ng spirit guide ating masasaga for today's video. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa ating mga kapatid na Taurus. There's an Empress card, a revert, renewal. So, ibig sabihin dito may bagong simula. At bagong pagkakataon ulit, no? And because there is a Four of Cups, re-evaluate or analyze, no? Kailangan bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer or bago ka tumanggap na isang offer, kahit anumang offer yan, kailangan pag-iisipan na maraming beses. And of course, there is an Eight of Wands. There is a fast communication or fast movement, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong, opportunities, no? There's a trouble. Or there's an email or messages. Because there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings. Na makikinig ka lagi sa intuitions mo. At the same time, there's a Temperance, a perfect timing, no? Kumbaga, and of course, Temperance is, be patient, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon ng habaan yung pasensya nyo kasi parang, nagiging mainipin kayo, no? Kaya, para sinasabi dito pag-isipan bago mag-decision kasi nagiging padalas-dalas ka at the same time. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Iikot ay kapalaran, tita, turning to your favor. Kumbaga, the Wheel of Fortune is a bless, a good luck. So, let's see what is the Empress. The Knight of Wands. So, there's a final push, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ilaban or there's a step by step. And because there's a Death card, there's an ending and a new beginning. So, eto, bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer, sinasabi sa inyo dito na kailangan mo munang may tapusin, no? Kumbaga, para hindi ka babaon sa utang or something, baka utang to or something na, para hindi ka matambakan ng problema o matambakan ng obligasyon or something din sinasabi sa inyo na kailangan mo munang tapusin bago ka tumanggap na isang offer. And of course, the Death card are represent an ending and a new beginning, a transformation. And of course, what is the Eight of Wands? There's a devil energy. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a devil energy that represent a negativity. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, may humahad lang, no? Na makaalis ka. Or some of you baka mag-travel. Kumbaga, may humahad lang na makaalis ka or humahad lang na makuha mo yung magandang opportunity na para sa'yo. And because there's a Hermit card. A soul searching. So, ibig sabihin dito, pinapasok sa'yo by your intuition or sa panaginip mo, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mensahe, ibinibigay sa'yo by your intuitions and predictions. So, kailangan makinig ka lagi sa iyong gut feeling, either sa mga guardian angels o gabay mo, no? And of course, there's a Four of Pentacles, protect your power and protect your energy, no? Protection naman yung sarili mo sa lahat ng kumbaga, kailangan maging kalmado at huwag kang maging pala desisyon. The 444 angels represent you're on the right path. So, let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. What is the Wheel of Fortune? There's a King of Pentacles. There's a practicality. Kailangan maging secure ka about sa finances at the same time maging practical ka. No? And of course, now, there is a good luck. What is the Empress card in the Knight of Wands? What is the Empress card and of course the Knight of Wands? And of course, there's Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment, no? May pangmatagalan dito, don't you worry. And of course, there's a Strength card. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, na kumbaga, lakasan mo yung loob mo, no? Maging matapang ka. Kumbaga, excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Inom lang ako ng water. Okay guys, thank you. Sinasabi dito ng strength card or sinasabi na lakasan mo yung loob mo, no? Kumbaga parang inaano ka dito sa takot. Kumbaga yung nagkakaroon ka ng doubt or something fear. Kumbaga diyan kanya titirahin dun sa ano na yung part na yon. Kumbaga diyan kanya may tawag dito. Diyan niya yung susubukin yung kakayanan mo or something, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, no? Yung fear, kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident. So let's see what is additional messages for Four of Swords and of course the Hermit card. And of course there's a Ten of Swords. There's a lot of backstabbing, betrayal. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga pinapakita sa panaginip mo or pinapakita sa intuition mo kung sino yung mga traidor. No, and of course there's a faithful ending. Tinatapos na yung mga backstabbing, betrayal, ganon. Let's see what is the Temperance and the Four of Pentacles. And of course, there is a Knight of Swords. No, magiging mabilis na tong eksena na to. There's a success driven. Kumbaga, a perfect timing. So, ibig sabihin dito kailangan nung mag-antay, 'di ba? Kumbaga, may magkakalob sigad kung anong kung kailan, kung anong gaano katagal, 'di ba? Para sinasabi sa dito kailangan niyo mag-antay. There's a takes time, 'di ba? Kumbaga kailangan maging kalmado, maging mahinahon, habaan ng pasensya, no? What is the Wheel of Fortune and the King of Pentacles? So there is an Page of Wands. There is a good news. May magandang balita, 'di ba? May ihahatid sa iyo magandang balita dito. Let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is this outcome. There is a Queen of Pentacles. Secure about sa finances. No? Kung kailangan maging secure ka about sa finances, at the same time, kailangan maging maingat ka. No? Pagdating sa business, trabaho, negosyo. And of course, the Three of Wands. So, waiting for a result o waiting for a shift. No? Kung ngayon, nag-aantay ka na ng magiging resulta. So, let's see what is additional. There's a Tower moment. There's a sudden changes. A shocking news. Kung there's a lot of surprises. A Tower moment is a destruction or disaster or there is a reveal. Kumbaga, di ba? Additional messages. And of course, there's Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, may taong gumagawa ng complication sa'yo para hindi mo maisakatuparan yung mga plano mo, no? Kaya kailangan mag-cleansing ka ha, kasi maraming backstabbing behind your back. Maging maingat, maging mapagmatsyag at wag ka magiging pala decision. Lalapit to sa iyo para bigla. Kumbaga there's an offer, no? Kumbaga parang ano siya, parang lalapit sa iyo with convincing, no? Iko-convince ka niya sa gantong bagay, sa ganyang bagay. Kumbaga kailangan maging aware ka, be analyze, maging matalino at maging mahinahon sa pagiging pagdedesisyon. Kasi kumbaga i-offer niya sa mga mabubulaklak niyan salita. Kaya kailangan maging aware. So let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a love, affectionate attraction. So some of you, there's an unconditional love with your partner. And of course, there's an abundance. And of course, I told you, stab in the back. Diba? May backstabbing, shocking attack. Bibiglain ka nito, eksena nito. And of course, key on the ring. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a lot of options. And there's a mirror, reflection. No, huwag ka mag-alala kasi magre-reflect naman sa kanila lahat ng mga ginagawa nila. Pero kailangan protection mo yung sarili mo. No? So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Higher self activation. So, ibig sabihin na nag-activate about sa spirituality mo. Kumbaga, mabilis ka na makag-analyze or something, makagets, no? Parang nauunawaan mo kagad yung nangyayari. Kumbaga, bakit ka lalapit sa akin na walang dahilan? Hindi ganun yun. Parang ganun. Parang nagkakaroon ka na realization or realization, no? Let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. And because there's a thoughts. See? There's a thoughts. Kumbaga pumapasok agad sa isip mo yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng idea. And of course, there's a wish and fulfillment. So, ibig sabihin, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Kumapit ka lang, panatiliing kalmado. No? Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael represent the detach from the situation. Kailangan mong kumawala sa sitwasyon, no? And pay attention to your dreams, no? Lagi kang tutukan yung mga pangarap mo. Kumbaga, doon ka lang tumingin, no? Huwag kang titingin sa mga ibang tao sa paligid mo na ide-distract ka. And of course, there's an innocence. So, some of you may mga bagay na, kumbaga, inosente ka, kaya minsan, mabilis kang mabudol or maulul or something ma-brainwash or something, parang parang ma-hypnotize or something, parang ganon. Kumbaga, mabilis kang sumakay sa sasabihin niya, mauto, no? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka. And because detach from the situation, kailangan mong kumawala sa sitwasyon. It's either a distance, no? Huwag kang tumanggap ng kahit anong connection sa mga taong nag-backstab sa'yo. Tandaan mo, ang ahas, kahit magbalat niya ng anyo, ahas pa din yan. And of course, there's an earth learning how to be human. See, kailangan na matutunan mo, no? Na sa buhay ng ginagalawa ng isang tao, marami talagang tuso, no? So, let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is this Monsology. Pero kasi win-win outcome forecast. So, ibig sabihin, ipapanalo mo to, no? Ipapanalo mo tong buhay mo o yung itong klase ng ginagalawan mo. And of course, a new start is coming. So, magsisimula ng panibagong chapter at bagong simula para sa. And of course, you are good enough. No? Pagdating sa'yo, sapat ka na. And of course, sinasabi dito, Angel Spirit, there's a self-esteem. See? Your possess gift of the soul that benefits me and others. So, ibig sabihin dito, may katangian or kakayanan ka, no? Kumbaga, about sa soul mo na, kumbaga, kung alam mo yung natatanggap mo at alam mong yung mga bagay na makaka-benefits din ng iba sa'yo, no? Meron ka ganong katangian. And of course, there's of change, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a problem solving. Some of you masusolusyonan na yung problema mo. I congratulate to all of Taurus, no? Sinasabi sa'yo na masusolusyonan na. And of course, environment, ibig sabihin talaga, no? Kumbaga, nasa paligid mo or surroundings mo, no? Enjoyin mo yan. Let's see what is this energy. And of course, a blossoming abundance. So, ibig sabihin, mamamayagpag ang buhay negosyo mo, T. And of course, there's a door to spirit. May pintuan talaga about sa spirituality mo na pinapaalam sa'yo about sa spiritual mo na may mga bagay or signs or synchronicity sa ihatid sa yung information para malaman mo yung red flags, no? Or signs or synchronicities para malaman mo yung nangyayari sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, traidor or kumbaga, parang wake up call, no? And of course, there's a renewal, no? Para makakapagsimula ka na ulit. And of course, there's a faith. Parang dito susubukin na pananampalataya mo. Para magtitimbangin dito ang pananampalataya mo, tiwala mo sa ating Panginoon. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael said, good night sleep. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga sasarap na ang pagtulog mo, no? Kumaga gagaang na ang loob mo at makakawala ka na sa negatibo. What is additional messages? Freedom. I told you, freedom, kalayaan. See? Makakalaya ka na sa mga negative thoughts, stress, diba? Kumaga dahil nagkaroon ng distansya. 'Di ba? Lumayo ka na sa alam mo nagbibigay sa iyo ng stress or anxieties, 'di ba? At problema talaga. And of course, let not your heart be troubled, neither let be afraid. So, ibig sabihin dito, wag mong hayaan yung puso mo yung magkaroon ng komplikado at problema, no? Kumbaga, hayaan mong matakot ka lang. Pero pagdating sa decision, puso mo kailangan na magdedesisyon. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel's number. For Angel's number, for Angel's number, Angel Spirit, guys. There's an 8. Oh my God! Oh my God, kayamanan. 888. Sinasabi dito, I am abundant. So, sinasabi dito, as you focus on all the wonderful things that surrounds you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. So, congratulations. No, parang sinasabi sa dito, magkakaroon ka ng problem solving. Pagdating sa finances, wala ka na magiging problema. Pagdating sa family, wala ka na magiging problema. Kasi binigyan mo na ng kalayaan na sarili mo at sinubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo. Diba? Nakawala ka na sa mga backstabbing, betrayal, so wag mo na subukan ulit lumapit sa kanila. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent messages of life. I am welcome. So, let's see. I welcome light as it presents itself to me. Today, I take step on my path to fulfill with a good faith. I swim easily with the flow of life. I embrace all experiences that universe bestows on me, even those that may prove challenging. I know all will fall into place for my greater good. So, ibig sabihin dito, naniniwala ka talagang binibigay mo, surrender mo kay God lahat ng bagay at possibilities na nangyari sa buhay mo. No? Kumbaga, alam mo na ilalagay ka ni God in a good way, in the right way, in the right place, 'di ba? Kumbaga, alam mo na lahat na nangyayari ito ay may kahulugan at may halaga. Kumbaga, alam mo na iaalis niya yung mga tao sa paligid mo, alam mong hindi makakabuti sa iyo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Taurus. Maraming salamat Taurus for this wonderful reading. At maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na yung hindi nag-escape ng ads. So ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik diglig na umapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. And of course guys, don't forget this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!